What's up, y'all? This is your boy JP, the install guy. Hope to make your install life easier. Today we got 2019 Genesis G80, and I'm going to show you how to install this compustar remote start full T-harness, so it's going to be simple. Please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and let's get to it. First thing you want to do is actually take off this side panel. This side panel is going to have 3 Phillips head screws that we need to take out, and then there's also 1 Phillips head screw underneath the actual knee bolster part. Next, everything else is just held in with clips, so we just want to go ahead and pop off the bottom part of that dash. Once we get this off, we want to go ahead and take out all the harnesses and remove the OBD2 port out so we can remove this and get it out the way. After all that's out the way, we have 2 10mm bolts that's holding the airbag together. Once you get those 2 10 mils off, you want to lift up and pull it out, but we do not want to disconnect it because we don't want anything bad to happen to that airbag. And the access module that we need to get to is behind this big piece right here. So underneath that, you have to look up, and I know it's a bad angle, but there are 2 golden Phillips head screws that we do need to take out in order to get this piece to move to where we can have easy access to our module. And there is the module that we need to get to. There are 3 male pieces that's going inside, so we want to take those 3 male connectors out, and we want to put those into the female side of the T-harness going to our compustar remote start. With those male connectors going into our female connectors on the T-harness, now we need to take the male side of our T-harness and plug those back into the place into the module. Now that we have that done, we simply just have to program our remote start. Program is easy. We just want to turn the ignition on and then look at the remote start. It will go solid green and then cut off. You'll see some parking lights flash, and then we just need to turn the car off. And now the compustar remote start has been programmed. Very important tip for you guys: if you do have 2 key fobs, you need to make sure that one is almost 10 feet away because it will mess up your programming. Now, in order to program tach, we want to actually crank the car up. And when we crank it up, we want to press the brake, hold the programmer button, release the programmer button, and then release the brake. Once we hear the clicks and see those green lights, that lets us know that our tach is programmed, and now we get to program our keys. In order to program the key fobs to the compustar, we need to actually turn the car on and off 5 times, leaving it on the 5th time. Once we do that, we'll hear some clicks, and then we want to take our remotes and press the lock button on each remote during the programming process. You will hear the clicks of the remote start, and the parking lights may flash. Then once it cuts off, we're ready to check it out. And now we're just going to go through the lock, the unlock, and remote start process to make sure that everything works like it's supposed to. Alright, so since that checked out, we did install or enable the 3-lock start with the factory key fob, so now we want to check that out. And we see that everything is working properly. If you guys like what you see and found any value, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to, and we'll see you guys on the next car. Have a blessed day.